Hello, I'm Casey. I'm your fashion friend, your confidence cheerleader, your joy provider. I help inspire you with all things style, fashion, joy, and confidence. I post short, easy to digest advice videos to help you create a closet you love and get dressed with less stress. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel below so you don't miss out on anything. And let's get on with the show. So I'm excited to be here today and to talk about one of the most simple things you can do to help change your mindset around style and help expand your style just by doing this one thing. So I posted today a box that said, "When is the last time you said thank you to your closet?" So okay, I'm going to read what I wrote. It's pretty short, but think about that. Do you go to your closet with a lot of gratitude and thank you and say thank you to it? Or do you go to it with a lot of angst, you know? So we're talking about saying thank you to your closet. So today I wrote, too often we approach our closet with a lot of angst. A common "I have nothing to wear" or "I hate everything in my closet" attitude is heard more often than not. When we look at our closet this way, we are too busy hating it to make room for the magic it could be. Saying thank you to your closet and giving it the gratitude it deserves for clothing you, for providing you, providing you all these choices, etc., opens up your energy to big possibilities. This is one of the first steps I teach people in finding their own personal style. There is a reason you chose each of these pieces that hang in front of you, and thanking them gives them a chance to live out their full potential and in turn helping you live out yours. So tomorrow when you approach your closet, say thank you. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for being on this journey with me. Thank you for clothing me. Thank you for providing me more than enough clothes for me to wear. Thank you for protecting me, adorning me, and being there for me. I may not know you yet. I may have a hard time figuring you out, but I will be patient. I will be open to learning. We're in this together. So this is the thought that most of the time I hear people say, they go to their closet and they say, "I have nothing to wear. I hate my closet," this and that. Well, if you're going there with that attitude, 100%, you aren't going to find anything to wear and you are going to hate your closet. You have an energy exchange with everything in your life. And if you go to your closet with that angst, with that already pre-notion that you have nothing to wear, it's going to be harder for you to find it. So think of our bodies that we also have only so much capacity. So if we fill our capacity with like negative energy and negative emotion, then we have no time for creativity that can come in. So instead of coming at your closet with this negative attitude, come at it with this feeling of joy and openness and creativity, and that will help fill the capacity of you to be more open. So really this comes down to, are we fighting for our limitations or are we fighting for our possibilities? If you come to your closet and you say, "I have nothing to wear, I hate my closet," you are fighting for your limitations. You are putting a limitation on yourself when you come to that closet. If you want more possibilities in your closet, fight for your possibilities. Say, "This might be hard for me, but I'm learning. But I enjoy my closet. I chose these pieces. There has to be magic right in front of me. What is it?" And take the time to take the steps and the moments to really love your closet and really learn what's in it and learn how to wear certain things, and then you will enjoy it more. So that is my little tidbit today. I know it might sound silly at face value, but when you really look at it, it's really the energy that you bring to your closet to start your day, and it will really affect you. So if you can switch your mindset around how you look at your closet, that will help greatly in helping you learn more about fashion and style. Okay. Hope you're having a good day. If you like this, put a comment below. I appreciate all of you, and I will be on again soon.